to another edition of Coffee Talk with immigration attorney Brian D. Lerner. In this set of videos, we are talking about non-immigrant visas, and we are up to F. Now, F1 is for a student visa. So in this particular respect, you would have to go to whatever school it is or apply online and get what's called the I-20. And once you have the I-20, then you are able to submit the student visa petition. Now, if you're outside of the country, you get the I-20, you put the student visa petition together properly, and then you can take that directly to your interview, and hopefully they will approve it. The problem with F1s is you do have to prove that you're intending on coming back to your country once you are done with the school. Take, for example, the Philippines. If you attempt to get an F1 from the Philippines, you are going to have a very difficult time. Let's say, for example, that you want to go to school to become a nurse and you're from the Philippines. Well, they know that once you finish, you can get petitioned for an RN and ultimately end up being a resident in the U.S. So whereas other countries such as France, for example, really wouldn't have any problems at all getting a student visa in countries where there's a high rate of people not returning to the country, such as China, Philippines, India, countries such as those, then you will have a much more difficult time. But if you do make it, then there will be no actual expiration date. The way it will work is you will get what's called a duration of status stamp, a D/S, meaning that as long as you're going to the school full time, you will be able to keep the F1 status. And then your derivatives, your unmarried children under 21 and your spouse will be able to be on F2, but your spouse will not be able to work on that, and will have to apply for a separate visa if he or she does want to work while you're on F1. Okay, more in the coming video.